A warm welcome to today's video. Today I have an unboxing video. As you can see here, I was shopping. So let's start. If you are new here to my channel, my name is Scarlett and I'm uploading every week a new video. And if you love fashion, styling tips, fashion hauls, shopping vlogs, then subscribe to my channel. So the other day I went shopping and I discovered, for me it's a new brand I discovered. It's the name, it's called the Kooples Paris. So I saw the stand there in the shopping mall. So I went to their boutique because I was seeing some beautiful dresses on the display and I thought I will have a look around. They have a really gorgeous collection and they have beautiful dresses. I will insert here some pictures of the collection. It is really beautiful and they currently have also a sale. But this piece, what I got, was not on sale and it was something I really was looking for and I wouldn't expect to find it at this brand. So this brand is completely new to me, but I absolutely was impressed what for beautiful pieces they have. So I will show you now what I got. So now I will unbox this. Ta-da! It is a super beautiful and chic blazer dress. It reminds me of a Chanel piece. It looks absolutely gorgeous. Chanel had something similar in like a tweed variation, and it was something I really loved. And this is a blazer dress I was looking to get one day and I was very happy to find it at this brand. It is super nice also from the quality. It's super gorgeous and also the details here on the side, it's super nice. And you can wear this kind of blazer dress ideal for meetings or when you go somewhere chic, and it is a piece you can wear to so many occasions and you look always great. Now in winter you can style it with some tights and some boots, and for the summer I would wear it with some sandals or even with maybe Chanel sling bags. They're also absolutely perfect for this dress. I will tell you now what was the price. It was 265 euro. And I got a size 0. So I tried on different dresses there. So in this one I preferred the size 0, but in other dresses I had the size 1. So I was between these both. But this one, it was so gorgeous, and I show you now here how it looks on. So as you can see, it looks absolutely chic, stylish. It's a classic piece. You can never go wrong when you go for a meeting, for work, for lunch, even dinner, when you wear high heels to it, some jewelry, and you have an amazing outfit. So this is a piece you can get so much out of it. Then of course you can combine boots to it, ankle boots, overknee boots. And in summertime I would wear sandals. You can wear high heels, flat sandals for the day. It would be perfect. And when it gets warmer I will do a styling video and show you how I combine this dress with my shoes and accessoires. And for the bag, I mean a classic Lady Dior bag. It looks absolutely perfect, and you can wear also your Chanel bag to it or another bag. It's up to you. But as you can see here, the complete look it looks perfect and super chic. And you can add now some jewelry, of course. So, but this is a dress I think I would wear, not now. I would wear it when it gets a little bit warmer, because it will suit better. The inside of this dress, it has these dots here, and yeah. So I would definitely go now more often to the Kooples Paris to have a look around what they have. They have really, really nice pieces here and there. I think, yeah, this is a great brand with also with a good quality, from good quality material. I think this is also very important, and this kind of pieces you can have so many years. And when you buy this kind of classic pieces, you can always wear it. If it's now, if it's in 3 years, in 5 years, in 10 years, this kind of things, they will never go out of style. So this was my unboxing video today from the Kooples Paris, my first purchase of this brand, which I just discovered. I think they have a very good quality, price point is also okay. I hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you are new to my channel, then hit the subscribe button to see more fashion tips, styling videos, outfit inspirations. And I see you next week in my new video. Ciao!